If your BMW 3 Series Apple CarPlay is stuck on a black screen, don't panic. The fix is usually just a software handshake issue. Statistics show that over 85% of these connectivity issues are software related and don't require any hardware repairs. Before you take it to the dealer, we need to force a reboot of the entire infotainment system. Hold the volume knob for 30 seconds until the screen goes dark and the BMW logo reappears to force a hard reboot. If the reset fails, check your iPhone settings to ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are toggled on and CarPlay isn't restricted. Be aware that active VPNs on your phone are a common culprit for blocking the wireless connection to your BMW. If audio still plays but the screen is black, it's software. If everything is dead, it might be the head unit. A simple iDrive reset solves 70% of these cases, making it the most effective first step for any owner. For stubborn issues, delete the pairing on both the car and the phone before attempting a fresh connection. Ensure your iPhone is fully updated, as Apple frequently releases patches specifically for BMW connectivity issues. Technicians recommend a monthly reset to clear the cache and prevent these black screen glitches from returning. If this worked for you, hit the like button and subscribe for more BMW troubleshooting playbooks.